What's the meaning of curried? Curried. Curried.
Curried. Curried. In programming, curried refers to the technique of transforming a function with multiple arguments into a series of functions that each take a single argument. This technique allows for greater flexibility and composability in functions, as well as easier partial application and function composition. The resulting functions are often referred to as curried functions. Overall, currying is a powerful technique in functional programming that can greatly simplify code and make it more modular and reusable.